uGhana ophakanyiswe yi-ANC uthole amavoti ayisishiyagalolunye amabili abuya ku-DA kwathi amathathu afakwa ngamaqembu IFP, PA ne-Al-Jama. Kanti uMahlatsi ophakanyiswe iqembu le-EFF yena uthole ayisishiyagalombili.
It's a responsibility that I welcome with both hands. It's a moment that I've been in politics long enough, so it's a responsibility that I'm prepared to execute. It's an important moment for South Africa, for the parliament itself, that now the Section 89 process is on the go.
Ngaphambi komhlangano okhetha usihlalo wekomiti elizophenya umengameli, lamaqembu ATM, EFF, DA, MK Party, FF+, Action SA, ACDP, UAF, iBosa neRise Mzansi abe nenguyazana ephunga ngamagama abantu abaqokela kwesohola ikomiti.
There's quite a number of principles and decisions we've taken. The first is that we do not want that process or that committee to be chaired by someone in the ANC, because we view the ANC has already taken a posture and a decision to protect the president. They voted against processing the report in 2022. Immediately after, they had also another engagement where they were very clear that they are going to protect the president, in which our view, it is counter what we're trying to achieve.
Leli komiti lamalunga ngamashumi lizogxila kukho konke okuphathelene nombiko wephalaphala.
When you look at the findings of the independent panel, even though they will speak about, for example, violation of Section 34 of PRECA, violation of Section 96 of the Constitution, but the report itself delves into the issues of tax evasion, money laundering, where the money was.
Kasekuqaleni kukaNhlaba inkantolo yomthethosisekelo yakhipha umyalelo ukuthi umbiko wephalaphala kumele ubuyele esishayamthetho uyobukezwa. Yachitha nomthetho 129I owasetshenziswa ukuvotela umbiko ngoZibandlela ka-2022.